Hello everybody, my name is Fanis Prodromou and I'm a Google developer expert for Angular. Today I would like to show to you how to use the linkedSignal in Angular by using an easy to digest example. Without any further delay, let's get started. The example that I have prepared is no more like a drop down where we can see that I have item 1, item 2 and item 3. And here I'm displaying the interpolated value, which means that if I click now item 1, we can see that here. The code behind the scenes is very easy, and the only thing that I have is a list of items, hard-coded list, and the selected item which is bound with our drop-down. While this seems to work just fine, the problem that we're facing is that if I select now an item and I click this button which emulates an HTTP call, what we can see is that we do have the interpolated value here, but we do not have the selected item in our list. If we try now to understand the problem, we will see that the list of items and the selected item, they are not linked together. But how can we link them? Well, I have the code here. Let me remove the comments, comment this out. And now what we have is the selected item which use the linkedSignal. And what is happening is that now the selected item derives from this source. And the source is the list of items. And what is great with this one is that whenever the list of items has something new in terms of value, something that will happen whenever we have an HTTP emulation, the computation function will be invoked. And if we have the correct expression, the selected item, of course, will have the correct value. And now if we go to the browser and we do the same thing and click the HTTP call, we can see that we have the interpolated value and we have also the selected item in our dropdown. So this is what I wanted to show to you today. Thank you very much.